Okay, good people, here we go. Ask the user for a phrase. Well, first we have to make a scanner. And I'm just gonna say phrase 1 and string phrase 1 equals scan.next int. Sorry, next line. Now we're gonna make a for loop and print this backwards. For int I equals phrase 1 dot length -1, length -1. We want the last character, which is at index length -1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus system.out.print. Notice not the print len. We're going to say phrase 1.substring I comma I plus 1. That's how you grab one character. And we're going to just go backwards. And then after it prints, we want to print a blank line. So let's try this. I wanted this to be a print on a print len. So be it A, B, C, D, E, F, F, E, D, C, B, A. Okay, we got part 1 done. So now part 2. Ask for a second phrase. System.out.print 2 string phrase 2 equals scan.next line. All right, and then we need a variable to count how many times phrase 2 shows up in phrase 1. And now we're going to do a for loop. We're going to go through the whole phrase 1 looking for phrase 2. So we're going to use substring for that. So for int I equals 0, starting at character 0, we're going to go I has to be less than phrase 1.length minus phrase 2.length. And I think it's +1 because I worked this out a little bit ago. And we'll take a look and see why. Why don't we take the +1 off? No, I'll leave it on. I'm pretty sure it has to be there. So now we're going to say if phrase 1.substring, and we're going from character I to character I plus phrase 2.length. All that dot equals phrase 2, then count plus plus. And then down here we're going to print out phrase 2 count in phrase 1 plus count. I think we're good, but let's see. It's a lot of hanky-panky. Phrase 1, cat, cat, cat. Phrase 2, cat. Phrase 2 count in phrase 1, 3. Yep. So that's that. And then part 3 is to print the second phrase with each letter occurring as many times as the phrase is long. So I'm going to make a variable called length equals phrase 2.length. Right, and I'm going to do a for loop. And I equals 0, I less than phrase 2.length. Plus. Now we're gonna, in here, we have to print each character as many times as it is long. So right here, we're gonna do another loop. Int j equals 0, j less than length. I'm just saying length. Remember, I stored that variable. And j plus plus. Now we're not gonna use the number j, but that's gonna repeat the right number of times. And now we're gonna print. This is print without the ln. We're printing the right character. So phrase 2.substring I comma I plus 1. That's how you get one character. And then down here, we're going to do a system.out.println. clean up. So this will print CCC, AAA, TTT if my second phrase was cat. And we're done.